In the last episode, we show you a new product that you can also make if you are into the decal business. It is by making digital menus. And we went to take a picture of the menu for this taco truck and we finally got it done. And we show you everything how we make the digital menu, and today we're gonna do the installation on the QR code. So if you're looking for ways to sell your product, make sure you watch the end screen on this video and watch the first episode of how we created this digital menu. And we don't get tired of saying this because anyone can make decals. What makes a difference is how you sell your product, and this is a very creative way to do so. So make sure you stick around and subscribe and like this video, and also share it with your friends. So let's begin.
We have our QR code ready to be sent to the vinyl cutter. We still gotta align the vinyl, but remember that if you are a VIP member, pretty soon I'm gonna be uploading the video where I'm gonna show you step by step how to add the registration marks as well as the weeding boxes, and how to change the settings to be able to use huge rolls of vinyl like we are about to do.
So and that's for all memberships.
Yeah, for all the VIP members. And then I'm gonna start with the black color, and I'm gonna bring that to the cutting area. And what I'm about to do, I'm gonna rotate it. I'm gonna try to rotate it straight, and I'm gonna put it in the center. We're not trying to save material.
I think we should do 2 copies.
You think so? Okay.
Yes, just in case.
Okay, yeah, that's a good idea. Then I'm gonna have to bring it back to the original position then. We're gonna start cutting the black color. I'm going to align the vinyl, and we have shown you this in other videos. We're gonna make sure to have the paint rollers in position. Well, this one's gonna be in the way, so I'm gonna have to move it a little bit to the left, and this one I'm gonna leave it about there. And this last paint roller, I'm gonna have it the little rectangle. I'm gonna make sure to leave it right on the edge of the vinyl, and then I'm gonna bring this down, and then I'm gonna send it. This is gonna be a very small project, but I'm still gonna send a little bit of that. It's not aligned. If you can come over here, I want you guys to pay attention to look how the vinyl is moving. You see, that's how you can tell that the vinyl is not aligned.
I know it sounds kind of silly. We have that really nice graph tech. We could be saving a lot of time, but we're just showing you how you can do this with a cheaper vinyl cutter. However, as we never get tired to mention, you get what you pay for, right, Saul?
Yeah, it's always fun using this vinyl cutter. I'm a little sarcastic today, but all right, now we're gonna send it. We have 2 copies of the same design, and in one of our other videos, we had a little issue with the vinyl cutter. It got stuck.
And Saul said,
so I'm gonna help it a little bit by unrolling the vinyl.
Yeah, we had to babysit this machine. So.
Yeah, pretty much.
And make sure it doesn't shift or doesn't move or anything that might ruin the project. But this one is not that big. It's a small project, so.
We want you guys to see the real thing, the real issues or challenges with every single project and cutter. Got to mention the settings before it finishes. The blade, we have it at 3, the cut force 13, and the speed at 16. And it seems like it's cutting a little bit through the paper, or maybe not completely, but I think it's doing a good job, I think.
Now we're gonna send it to the back and cut it.
Where's the blade? Oh, it's halfway. Now we're gonna start with this white color. Hopefully everything goes well.
This one in theory is the easiest one, but sometimes
with cameo cutters you never know.
This is like a military operation. Nothing goes according to plan.
Yep.
All right, so we're gonna start weeding out, and he's gonna start with the white one.
This is the easiest one. I want to get an idea of what we're gonna be facing. If I can do this, then I can probably do the other one. And we're gonna be careful with our registration marks.
Yeah, we're gonna use those to combine or layer the color. By the way, guys, if you're liking this video, we appreciate your like and your subscribe, and of course we also appreciate if you share this video with someone that wants to get into the decal business. We appreciate it.
This is going to be a real challenge because of the details, but nothing impossible.
That's why we made 2 copies, just in case something goes wrong. Saul gets a second chance.
I'm gonna start with the QR code, and I'm gonna get an idea of how challenging this will be, and if I need help, then Luis is gonna help me because we don't want to work twice. I mean, so far so good. I don't see anything missing. I think I can see it from this angle. It looks good.
I'm gonna take his word for.
So we're gonna go and check and see. And see, look at that. It is working the way it's supposed to. We got the images and everything.
Perfect. That's beautiful. Now we know that the menu works, and now we're gonna apply the transfer, and then we're gonna head out to install it in the taco truck. All right, so we exposed the registrations, and Saul is going to start layering the colors. So.
And let me say something. The background is going to be white. It is very likely that it is going to be white, but we did it this way just in case he decides to apply it somewhere else, not on a white background. That is the reason we decided to do it like this. Now that I combine the registration marks, I'm going to get rid of the backing paper. Do it like this. See how easy? We're gonna make the other one, wanna repeat the same steps, and we're gonna leave it with him. He can place it anywhere he wants. All right, guys, we are ready to head out and do the installation. We're gonna apply one, and then we're gonna leave one with him. He can place it anywhere he wants. So yeah, let's head out to the place. All right, so we are gonna apply the decals. We have two of them. We're gonna apply one on this side, and then one on the other side, about somewhere around here. But before we do that, we're gonna clean the surface. We have our solution, the rapid tag. We're gonna use the towel. And after that, we're gonna measure just to get an idea, make sure that we center the decals. Right now it's a little bit cold. I'm gonna try to use a little bit of the solution, not too much. We're gonna use the white tape. I'm gonna grab two little pieces to measure, just to get an idea. We're gonna try to do it quick. We're gonna take measurements. All right, so this is where we're gonna apply it. Like Reese said, it's very cold right now, and I'm gonna be really careful. Oops, I'm gonna need the squeegee for sure. We could have done this all black, but like I said, we didn't know, we weren't sure if we were gonna apply it on white background, just in case. All right, I'm gonna start removing the transfer from one edge, and hopefully the decal stays in place. Yep, it is actually. All right, we're gonna try and open the screen, the camera, make sure that it works, and it is working. All right, now the next thing, we have to get rid of a few bubbles, and then we're gonna apply another QR code on the other side. All right, guys, so we're finished with this project. Remember that if you want to watch the episode on how we created this digital menu, on how to make additional money, well, make sure to follow the video on the end screen or follow it right here. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys until the next one. Make sure to give us a like, subscribe, turn on your notifications. Remember that if you want to support our channel by becoming a member, just go to the join button and you will get all the options available. But if you want to do something like we did with this project, you have to select the premium membership. Thank you so much, and we'll see you until the next one.